Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you in or less than 3 minutes will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video. So let's start the powerful video. Due to their high nutrient content, eating walnuts every day might be good for your health in more than one way. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. Here are some of the good things that can happen when you eat walnuts every day. 1. Walnuts are full of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that are good for your heart, especially alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Regularly eating walnuts may help lower bad LDL cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve the general health of the heart. They could also help lower the chance of heart disease. 2. Brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids, like the ALA in walnuts, are important for the brain to work. Scientists have found a link between eating walnuts regularly and better brain function and a possible lower chance of cognitive decline as you age. 3. Weight control. Even though walnuts have a lot of calories, they can be part of a healthy diet for weight control. They have a lot of protein and healthy fats, which can help you feel full longer and eat less overall. 4. Walnuts are full of antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which can help protect your cells from harm caused by free radicals. Antioxidants help to keep your body healthy and lower your chance of getting chronic diseases. 5. Controlling blood sugar. Some study shows that adding walnuts to your diet may help you control your blood sugar, especially if you have type 2 diabetes. Walnuts may help with this because they have fiber, good fats, and antioxidants. 6. Gut health. Walnuts have dietary fiber, which can help keep the bacteria in the gut healthy. A healthy gut bacteria is linked to better digestion and a stronger immune system, among other health benefits. 7. Walnuts are good for your bones because they have minerals like calcium and magnesium in them. Even though they may not have as much of these minerals as some other foods, they can still be part of a varied diet that helps keep bones healthy. Even though walnuts are good for your health in many ways, they also have a lot of calories. So, controlling how much you eat is important, especially if you are trying to control your weight. A good amount of walnuts to eat every day is a small handful, which is about 1 ounce or 28 grams. Changes in diet can have different effects on different people, so it's best to talk to a doctor or certified dietitian before making big changes to your diet, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Like, share, subscribe and comment.